Good morning, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. This is the New Year 2024. If you see this in the future, the way future. Because I looked at a video that it was talking I was talking about the New Year just day before yesterday. And I I didn't say what year it was in the video, but uh it was last year. So I'm saying what year it is now. And I just saw the video there for yesterday, but um oh well, tomorrow's my birthday, y'all. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. I don't sing it today, I sing it tomorrow, so and I got my little do rag on. Look at him, honey. Look at him. The silk bonnie's supposed to be next to the hair, right? Putting a sock on, y'all. I just put one sock on and put the other sock on. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Got to be warm in the house. You know, when you go in other parts of the house which you don't frequent much, which is the diva space, uh, I don't have a little small heater in here, cause sometimes in some rooms you got to have a little separate heater. And now I'm putting my socks on cause my feet down here, and I got these right here. I was walking on that, now I got to put these on right. Yeah, now I just put that on. Well, I just came on to tell y'all a happy, 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 happy. Yep, yep, yep. That's what it looked like. That's what. Then you pull this. Just oh, girl, you ain't got to do nothing to that. And see, this was tucked cause it was up under the thing. Now it look like it got a little curl to it. My hair has grown a lot since then. I had got me a. Let me tell you something, honey. I got me a silk press one time. Um, this year. And the lady cut my hair. I was so mad. See, what she did was when she washed my hair, it felt so good. Oh, she did the do and had that mint stuff in it, and my scalp was tingling and all of that good stuff. When she was pressing my hair, all my hair was behind me, and I was just sitting up there, and I did not know she cut my hair, cause my hair before when it was in its curly state was past my bra. When she got through with my hair was gorgeous. Now it moved and bounced and everything. It was right here to my shoulders, and it was past my bra before I got it cut. And when I pulled it down here, it was below my nipple. And now I'm pulling it. It's just starting to grow back. I still feel like this when I think about it. Y'all know how I was with my hair. My thing is, if you natural like me, and you've been doing your hair for 4, 5, 6, 10 years, and you go and get yourself a silk press, you want to see your length. I didn't know I didn't have to tell her don't cut my hair, because when you're natural and you get your hair cut when it's straight, when your hair get curly again, it fuck up your whole style. Excuse my French. Oh my gosh, it mess up your whole style. Cause my hair is long in the front. Cause I got three different types of curls. It's tight right here and it's wavy in the back. So when she cut my hair straight, that messed all of this up. You don't cut nobody that's natural that wear their hair curly all the time. You don't cut their hair when it's straight. You cut their hair when it's curly. The bend of the curl, if you want to cut it in a style, you cut it then and leave it alone. I ain't trying to trim my hair. I had never trimmed my hair. My hair has always grown. So if I didn't trim my hair 4 and 5 years and my hair still down my back past my bra, why you got to trim it cause I get a silk press? Why don't you just tuck the damn ends and let that go? You fold the ends under and let the uneven ends be up under there. And then let me blow in the wind. Oh my goodness. I got upset over that, y'all. I got so upset over that, y'all. I got so upset, y'all. I was cute. I couldn't call the police. I wanted to kick her in her stomach. Once I found out my hair was cut and she was in front of me, I wanted to kick her in her stomach. But you know what? They wouldn't have believed me because my hair was still long and I was cute too. My hair was fantastic. The press was perfect. But because she cut my hair, I never go back to her again. She did an excellent job. I enjoyed the shampoo. It was perfect, but she put scissors in my hair. She made me not want to go to nobody else. And I want to get my hair did. I wanted to go back to her and tell her don't put no scissors in my hair because she did a good job. But I don't know if I can trust her. I didn't tell her to cut my hair to begin with. I'm saying this to some of these beauticians out there anyway. If you find somebody come in there with wavy hair, wait, for one thing, if they natural and they lay their head in your shampoo bowl and you put water on their hair and their hair curl up, when you put water in their hair, it's then you put the conditioner in their hair and it curl up even more. And then you sit in that chair with and you put a blow dryer in their hair and you straighten them curls out. Why you cut them people hair? When you saw how beautiful it was when it was waving and curling. I know what my mama told me. My mama told me this. My mama was a beautician. She told me most beauticians, when they get people with long hair, that they gotta have a pressing style. See, my mama from the pressing style day. And when she had to do pressing styles, they are taught to cut the people hair. Because if you go to a person every 2 weeks and you get your hair done, every 2 weeks they clip your ends. If your hair down your back, they clip your ends till it's up here. Then they keep clipping your ends. And every time they go to you, it don't take them as long to get you out their chair. Think about what I just said. They want to press your hair and get you out the chair so they can put somebody else in. And if you got that long hair, it's taking them too long to do your hair. So they clipping your hair away till it get to a manageable length. So they won't have to keep doing your hair and you keep holding up 2 and 3 hours with them doing your hair. So cause if you're gonna be a regular customer of theirs, they're gonna cut your length away. That's what my mama told me. My mama old beautician. And she told me about uh that's one of their things with people that get pressing styles that won't get a perm. That we see she was in a perm day. That won't get a perm and they won't cause they can get somebody with a perm and make more money. Or they can get somebody that wanted that Jerry curl and make more money. And they got that person with that pressing style taking up all their time. So they clip they got that's a regular customer. So they start clipping their hair. Every time they come in, they clip their hair, and then their hairs get to a certain length, and they feel like the hair has stunted and is not growing no more. And they keeping their hair shoulder length instead of bra length and waist length. And you going to the same beautician for years, and your hair ain't never went past shoulder length. Um, and that's the thought of the day, y'all. This is Val. This is how you do it. Why beauticians cut your hair? I'm telling you what old school told me. And then I was so mad because I fell for that okey doke, that old time shit. My mama told me long time ago what beauticians do, and I didn't stop her then by telling her when I sat in her chair, you cut my hair, I'm gonna kick in your damn stomach. And then she wouldn't cut my hair. Uh-huh. I should have told her that. All right now. Bye bye, y'all. I'll talk to you later. Food for thought.